How's it going, everyone? Bryce Green here with Big Kid Blocks, and I am excited to show you guys one of our favorite kits that we offer, and that is the straight shooter kit. This is a 5-piece kit ranging from 24 inches all the way down to 5.5 inches. Now, if you have a old C-tent bedside or a Suburban or something that is super flat, this is the kit that you need to get. This is 1/4 inch material with a 2-inch rod diameter handle on top that goes the full length, so this thing has zero give to it. Ranging from 24 all the way down to the smallest 5.5 inch block, it is going to be straight and smooth, which is why we call it the straight shooter. It's going to really help you get those flat panels from front to back regardless of what you're working on. So head over to our website, www.bkblocks.com, and get yours ordered today and start going ahead and getting your things straight and shoot straight. Thanks, guys.